Sir, I welcome you to the Clean India Pulare, and as I know that you have new launches for the show, so kindly please introduce yourself and the new launches.
Sure. I am Sumit Khurana, Chief Executive of Dulevo India. Uh, we this time are launching a range of industrial and professional steam equipment. Our partners are Technovap of Italy, who are leaders in Europe in steam equipment. Now, after evaluating the Indian market, we have realized that steam machines have a huge potential, particularly in food, pharma, hospitals, industrial kitchens, applications where sanitization and hygiene are extremely critical. So if we go to a food industry or a pharma industry or an industrial kitchen or a hospital or even hotels, uh, cleaning by steam can completely sanitize the environment. Now, let's go a little further. Assume a BPO, a large BPO. Now, a BPO has many thousand people working there. And a washroom can breed bacteria, can breed infections. Now, how do you control that? Or how do you control that at an airport where the movement of people is large? So it's important to completely sanitize that area where there is a possibility of some exchange of bacteria and completely stem the problem at the beginning. Similarly, at hospitals, similarly in food industries, pharma industries, where it's critical to have high levels of hygiene, we have this steam equipment. We have also realized that for cleaning of car interiors, especially the premium cars, you have to be very careful with the material inside. And also the time that a customer gives you to clean the car interiors is little. So with steam, you can do a very good job without tampering with the interiors. At the same time, give the car back very quickly. Okay.
So can you just tell us more about the machine or the steam range that you have launched? What are the features of it?
So the important features are that these machines come with superheated steam, which means that it is dry steam, which means that you will not leave the surface wet. And this is steam which will sanitize that area at 99.9%. So which means that it will completely sanitize that area. We also have the option of a vacuum with the steam equipment, so that in case we want to scrub something using steam, we can pick it back.
Okay.
Okay. So it makes for a very, very unique combination. And we believe that we must introduce these new innovative concepts in the market, and that's how the market will evolve.
So you have launched this product at this show, or
Well, officially yes, we are launching at the show. We had introduced it in the market some time back. Once we realized that it's a product with potential, we have decided to officially launch at this show.
okay, sir. Thank you very much for being part of this show. Thank you.